In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly utilize Google and ChatGPT to streamline your communication tasks. Whether you're responding to messages or crafting new content, this guide will show you how to effectively integrate these tools into your daily routine. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google. This popular search engine is your gateway to all sorts of information, including the ChatGPT platform, which we'll be using today. Make sure your internet connection is stable to ensure a smooth process. Once you're on Google's homepage, go ahead and type in ChatGPT into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results that direct you to various resources related to ChatGPT. We are looking for the official ChatGPT website, so keep an eye out for that. Clicking the correct link will take you directly to the platform where you can engage with ChatGPT's capabilities. After you've found and clicked on the ChatGPT website link, you should be on the homepage. This is your launchpad for exploring all that ChatGPT has to offer. Now, if you have a specific text that you need assistance with, such as a message from a friend or a piece of writing you need refined, you'll want to get that text ready for processing. To do this, you'll need to copy the text you want to work with. Simply highlight the text, right-click, and select Copy. Once you've got your text copied, it's time to make use of ChatGPT's powerful processing abilities. Navigate back to the ChatGPT webpage, where you'll typically find an option to upload or paste text for analysis. When you see the input field, go ahead and paste your copied text there. You'll do this by either right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. Once your text is loaded into the system, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now that your text is uploaded, look for the Submit button, which is usually within easy reach on the interface. Clicking Submit sends your query into ChatGPT's system, where it works its magic, processing your input and generating thoughtful, contextually appropriate responses or suggestions. With your message sent through, you can now utilize ChatGPT to craft replies, enhance your message, or even generate new content based on the input you provided. This tool is especially beneficial for offering a fresh perspective or enhancing the clarity and impact of your communication. By following these straightforward steps, you've effectively used Google to find and employ ChatGPT as a communication aid. Keep exploring and experimenting with these tools, refining your approach, and you'll find that they can greatly enhance your communication efficiency and effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and happy communicating.